Mini Test 11. You'll hear two friends discussing where they should go see a movie. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5. Now listen to the conversation and answer questions 1 to 5.
So, do you still want to see a movie tonight?
Yeah, I think that would be really fun.
Okay, I don't want to go to the movie theatre we went to last time. It was really dirty and the screen was too small.
You want to go to the new one they built near the park?
How much is it for a ticket?
You know what? I just remember that I saw their website. It's a luxury movie theatre. They have leather armchairs to sit in, and they also serve wine and restaurant-quality food.
I see, so that would cost about…
I think it would be $25 including a meal and a drink.
I don't know about that.
Yeah, that is pretty expensive. What else were you thinking?
Well, there is another theatre at the mall. They have undergone renovations, so the movie screens are really good. I like the big ones. They make the film seem more alive.
How much is a ticket there?
The tickets are only $10. If we want something to eat, there is a food court where we can get meals for about only $5.
That sounds good. Let's go then. If I remember correctly, it is easy to get there. We just have to go to the bus station right next to the theatre.
Yeah, I feel like having a drink beforehand. There's a good coffee shop next to the theatre too.
Mini Test 12. You will hear the head of residential life talking about student housing on campus. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 5. Now listen to the conversation and answer questions 1 to 5.
Good morning. I'm glad that everyone arrived safely. As part of your orientation here, I would like to talk to you about your dormitories. All the dormitories at our school have single rooms. Each dorm building is co-ed with 2 to 3 shared bathrooms per hallway. There are individual stalls, showers, and sinks in every bathroom, so privacy is not an issue. Every 10 to 15 people will be assigned a student fellow. Residential Life trains these student fellows to help ease your transition into university life. They can answer questions you have about the dorms or about academics, or they can guide you to the right person if you need more help. At the end of this year, all of you can apply for a student fellowship position for the next incoming class. Please observe the special rules regarding noise if you live in a quiet hall. This year, we are also trying out a program called Healthy Hallways. No smoking or drinking is allowed inside the rooms of these hallways. I ask you to respect the wishes of people who have chosen to live there. During your last year at the university, if you so desire, you may choose up to 4 people to live with in final year housing. These are 5-bedroom detached housing units that have 2 full bathrooms, a full kitchen, and a common dining area. Groups who want to apply for this housing have to submit an application together. Residential Life then conducts a random drawing to assign houses if there are more applicants than there is space available.